Hi friends, welcome to Smiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about string functions in Tableau. Let's get started. String functions allow you to manipulate string data, just nothing but text data. Tableau uses the current international components for Unicode library when comparing strings. The way strings are sorted and compared is based both on language and local, and it's possible for users to change as the ICU is constantly updated for better language support. For example, you might have a field that contains all of your customers' first name and last name. One member might be Sai Lakshmi. Maybe I'm just considering a simple name. You can pull the last names from all your customers into a new field using a string function, which is nothing but split. So we have a direct option available, but split is one of the string functions in Tableau. Split of customer name, comma, there's a space in between the inverted commas, comma, 2. So what happens with this calculation is it will split the first name and last name and returns the second name as a result. Therefore, split of Sai Lakshmi, comma, inverted commas, in between space, comma, 2 equal to Lakshmi. This is the result we get when we pass the customer name as Sai Lakshmi. Let me open Tableau desktop and show you where you can find string functions in Tableau and how many of them. So before that, let me display the different kinds of string functions in Tableau. There are many string functions in Tableau. They are ASCII, char, contains, ends with, find, find nth, left, length, lower, ltrim, max, mid, min, and many more. Let me open Tableau desktop and show you the rest of the string functions as well. I have the Tableau desktop open and I have taken sample superstore data. This is just a customer name I have brought in. So let me first create a calculator field to show the string functions in Tableau. So I'm going to select string functions over here. So we have all the listed string functions available as soon as I select on string. So these are the different kinds of string functions available in Tableau. Let me read it for you. ASCII. So as soon as I click on ASCII, we are able to see the description of each and every function along with an example. So Tableau gives us a suggestion when to use it and an example of how to use it as well. So let me select one more thing, character. So I have selected on char of integer. So what it happens when we use char of integer is it will convert the integer to a ASCII code into a character. So char of 65 equal to A. The same way if we select and write ASCII of a particular name, it will give the number of that particular string we have provided within the ASCII function. So this is how you can find the string functions in Tableau and you can get the example as soon as you click on it and how to use it and when to use it as well. So in my upcoming video, I'm going to explain each and every function along with a practical use of it. I don't want to make it lengthy, so I'm just explaining a brief of string functions. I'll take each and every function and individually explain with an example of when to use it and how to use it, along with some scenarios as well. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.